Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. In this video I achieved this soft berry look using two beautiful Chanel eyeshadow palettes and lip palettes. So this is the latest palette from this fall, and this is a limited edition that Chanel released this year. I really wanted to match these beautiful shades, so if you are interested, please follow the second part of the video where I show my makeup look. This is Candeur at Seduction. You know, I already made several videos about this palette, and I also made a video comparison between this palette and Dior Rouge Trafalgar palette, so check on my YouTube channel if you're interested. And I really wanted to make a very wearable soft look. I mainly use one shade from this palette, so let me know your impression about this makeup look. And I'm also very happy with this lip palette because these shades are beautiful and they give you just a little wash of color to your lips. Also texture is very beautiful and packaging is wonderful, so another reason to have it maybe. I mainly applied with a lip brush, but you can also smudge it with your fingers. I usually do also this, so it's very easy to use. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please take a moment to subscribe. So now let's move to the makeup look. Let's start picking this berry shade and do it with a sponge. I go also underneath. Taking a coal pencil, and this is Amber by Chanel, and I smudge a little bit underneath. Try to melt this brown shade with these berry tones, so I go back now I take a Q-tip and I smudge it. I intensified my waterline also a little bit with this kohl, tracing a very subtle line with this brown pencil. I think the most important thing is to add a little bit of depth in the corner here. Also, you can also your finger and smudge it a little bit. Then I'm gonna use this mascara from Estee Lauder. It was a kit with these two kind of travel size, and it is a sumptuous mascara and little black primer. So I put the primer and to say that with the primer the effect is beautiful. I'm using this dual stick from Clarins. I really love this kind of product because it's a creamy formula but so blendable, so beautiful. I have to say, I really use it so much. just to add a base of color, and I blend it. Number 68 from Chanel. Beautiful powdery shade, rose powdery shade, a very classic, iconic shade from Chanel. Put a little bit of bright pink underneath, and now I am blending with this dusty powdery shade. Blend it also here. And I mixed Becca Shimmer Skin Perfector with Les Beige Healthy Glow, Pearly Glow, and I mix 1 pump of this and 1 pump of Becca, less because it's a creamy formula, so this is the amount. I mix them together and I apply it on my higher points of the cheek and where I wanted an extra light effect. So now I'm applying just a little bit, a little touch to add a little more of luminosity and to erase the extra shadow, maybe due to the fallout of the color of eyeshadow or something like this. I also moved to a white background that I have to make my husband move the wardrobe, the black wardrobe you always see behind, so let him know if you like the white wall or if you prefer he can move the wardrobe again. Now I'm taking for my lips this beautiful limited edition from Chanel, and it's still available. I was so in love with this beautiful palette. I'm gonna use this pink. So you see it's quite sheer, natural, just a touch of color. I think it suits this look. And I blend with my finger also. I want to get a natural soft look on the lips. I add a little touch powder, bronzer powder, just to warm up a little bit. So as you can see, lips are very natural, but you can go also more with a berry tone if you wanna achieve a very vampy look. I really wanted to keep it quite soft and natural because I think that many of you love this eyeshadow palette but wanna achieve a quite natural, daily, not natural, maybe daily look. You can really switch to a day to night look, just changing your shade of lipstick. If this video could be helpful for you, if it's so, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me also on Instagram. See you soon. Bye!